having a cracking autumn this year. Just lovely. I always think that autumn colour is a compensation for the heartbreak of having lost another spring and summer forever. But this is a long and late autumn and the garden is full of wonders. I've just brought along a few to give you an idea of some things that you might not have thought of in terms of colour. First of all, something you might be familiar with, the stag swan sumac, which you remember not to plant in a lawn because it gets runners everywhere, but the colour on it is stunning. This is a lovely Cornus cusa that my sister Laura gave me. Very pretty flowers in the summer and then gets beautiful colour in the autumn. Here is a liquid amber, Worpleston, and this is Euonymus elata. It's just a hedgerow plant. It has these stunning berries on it, beautiful berries along with the leaf colour. This is a tree, not for a small garden admittedly, but turns butter yellow. It's Liriodendron, the tulip tree, these huge leaves. Back it up with some crab apples. This is Malus golden hornet, and this one is red sentinel. Really lovely, like rubies on the trees. Here we've got some climbers. This one's Hydrangea petiolaris, the climbing hydrangea. Rather unexpectedly has lovely yellow leaves in the autumn. This one's a purple vine. Try and plant it so that you get the light coming through it, so that you can see the light coming through the leaves there. And also here I've got some more Cornus flamivera, which has the once the yellow leaves have gone, then you've got the compensation of these gorgeous green stems, which you'll cut right down again in March, ready to grow again. And here I've got Prunus kojonomai, such a pretty cherry for the springtime, and then the compensation of these pretty leaves in the autumn there. This one's just a Virginia creeper, but lovely, even though it's common. Back it up with some flowers. Here's some very nice persicarias. This one's red dragon with the lovely red stems. Sedum here, which got the Chelsea chop back in May and is now covered in flowers, even in November. And here's Bonica, again covered in flowers, having been dead-headed at least 4 times through the year. It just keeps going. And finally, the hedge behind me is actually all Rosa rugosa. Very pretty flowers, lovely hips, and the yellow leaves in autumn.